our plate. Guys, me and Lorna are gonna eat it with some eggs. Nice camper. He just got a new camper.
Oh, that's right.
He just got a new camper. Congratulations! Wow, we got it for $300. So excited. He wants us to see it. Bye bye. Look at the beautiful trees. I want to get a picture. Hopefully when we come back. Hopefully when we come back, the trees are still, or the leaves are not gone yet. Oh, nice trees, guys. Wow. He has some beautiful trees. He has the most beautiful trees.
Is that ditch right there, Mom? Am I gonna
You're good. You're good, sweetheart. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at the trees. Oh. Yeehaw. Whoops. It's time to roll. Heading home. If I got pulled over, I think your thing, honey, our plate. Guys, we got pulled over, so oh my gosh, so our plate is expired. Oh shit. Honda. And I'm actually getting some coffee here. They have a really nice machine. So my husband is helping his niece to get a new car. And he's actually, so my husband co-signed for his niece. And my niece got approved actually. But anyway guys, so it's crazy. Alright guys, so I'll give you an update later.
Hey.
Sabay kami ngayon. Woohoo! That's yun yung anak ko at saka yung kaibigan niya. That's my soup day. We're gonna have a breakfast slash breakfast at saka lunch. Kasi anong oras na? So yung kakainin namin ay charan, rice. And I don't know what anong tawag dito. How do you call this one? Potato, whatever. Potato. That's ito yung dinner namin. This was our dinner last night, and me and Lorna are gonna eat it with rice. And there's some bacon para sa breakfast namin, and some eggs, and that's it. And then some orange juice. So yun ang kakainin namin. So Sabado na naman. Charan! Juice! I didn't like this juice before, pero ngayon gusto ko na yung juice.
I like that kind. You? Simply lunch?
Who's that? No, it's just...
Oh, just
just a video
for
everybody that wanna watch. So that's it guys. So nandito kami ngayon. Oh, I just wanna show you something. So sinisave namin yan. Sorry. Joy, you better... You poke it. We're saving that thing for a long time.
Okay.
Joy, you better look at your shoes. It's getting so dirty now. You better stop.
What bacon is it? Is it the bacon?
Woohoo! Alright. So, hi Rona. Let's eat. Tawagan ay kore. Kakain na kami. Woohoo! Yung itlog. Itlog. Alright, kainan na. Let's go. Hi, Era. Tamaso. Hello. Oh, there's a dog. Oh. Oh, Twister. Oh my God, look at Aaron. Hello. I'm sexy. Look at her. Oh my God, look at them. Look at Air. Oh, you look so sexy. Sabi ko, sino ba yung nandito? Oh, you look so sexy, huh? Oh, boy, yan. No, let's go.
Pwede sarap kasi.
Sige, sige, sige. Hello, doggy. Look at Air. There's the Air.
Yeah.
Brown na check ko. Oh my God. Really ka dito.
She's a Chilean.
Hold on, let's turn the light on.
A good gutter place. That Mexican you guys hire every weekend. Can you do gutters?
Well, it depends on what.
Look at him, look at them.
See
Tingnan mo
what's
si Eva.
I just
Look at
I have
them.
this area here, like in the corner, it's drip.
Uy, gusto mo ng ano, saging or juice?
And I got another place up
Oh my
front
God,
that
Bella.
it's rotting my wood.
Yes.
What are you doing back here?
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God,
I'm gonna fry
it
that.
kept getting worse
That's
and
the
worse.
cooked
There was
one,
no way
boiled
for me to turn
plantains.
around. That was Missouri.
Bad dog.
And then when I come out, when I got out of that
looks like
fucking
burnt.
disaster, I
Burning.
came out, I was still in front of the scale.
Gitig ahe? Sige, okay na eh.
The thing was, I didn't care. I seen a highway. I'm like, I'm going to the fucking highway. And
Woohoo! So our yard looks awful. Oh, hold on, Rona. This is how we do it. Alright guys, so we are here doing some edger. That's Rona. Our yard looks crazy. Hold on. This is how we do it. We put it in this bag. Alright.
Alright. Mama's doing some yard work.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. No, Lily. Lily.
Get it. Lily. Stay. You need to yell at Lily. Because if you don't raise your voice, she's not going to pay attention. She was ready to chase the car. Lily. You're going to chase the car, Lily?
I'm gonna.
Lily, you're
Yeah.
so
What are you doing, Lily? She don't want to miss out on no adventure.
Lily, stay, Lily.
Where's Mama at?
Oh, Lily.
Get out of the street, Lily.
She went that way looking for you guys. You didn't see her?
We're trying to.
Went this way.
Can I see them?
Oh, yeah.
Try to find her. Come on back. There she is, Lily with her.
Trying to get some yard work done. Quick yard work.
Try to find Mama. She wanted me to get the phone and take a picture
The lawnmower, honey.
of
I
her
think
with
I
the
can cut the
dog.
grass.
But
The,
she don't know.
it didn't rain last night.
Then
I
I'm
cut
gonna
the
do.
grass.
I'm going to have her live. Oh, there she is. Here she comes.
Can I get the lawn?
Get the lawnmower. For what?
I can cut the grass. This thing is dry.
All right.
Our grass is high, you know. Today's probably our last time to cut the grass.
Do you want me to get it out for you? Or you got?
I'll do it now.
Huh? All right.
Come back.
You don't have to do the bait. Oh, I guess.
If you can tell, my daughter was in here. She just put her snack there and left her dirty. We're gonna cut some grass. That's our neighbor's peppers right there. So I'm ready to go and knock his door and ask him if he want me to pick up his peppers for him and bring it to him. I feel bad. So right there's this house. So I'm gonna go and get his peppers. All right.
Trying to get some yard work in. Corey's unsure how to use that. Huh? Now put the blade down. No. You put the blade down. You push that all the way up. You're next, Rona. There goes Mama. Load it up. There you go. No, no, let. Keep going. Go. Yeah, stop right there and I can, now we can get the, oh, we got tons of gas in the garage.
Ooh, it's full, huh?
Hey, Rona, hold on a minute. I'm going to show you a secret over there.
I should have backed it up.
Here.
Look, it's past. I should have backed. Look.
Holy smokes. Lift that up. Look at that. Mama's got some treats.
Yep.
That beats raking. Huh, Mama?
Yeah.
Now just pull it out.
You're
Pull
a
it
nice
out.
swimmer, Ronnie.
No, that's all right. Don't worry about it.
We're dumping it in our.
Yeah. That's our back 40.
Oh my god.
It's our back 27 acres.
Oh no, that's not ours. That's why we're dumping
Yeah.
this stuff. Oh my
Mama
God.
dumps the garbage on the.
Yeah. That's where sparrows can lay. Sparrows can play.
All right, then you just fire it up and you're ready to go again, Mama.
Yeah.
Hold on, Rona. I'm going to show you a fun tool. It's what they call a broom in the U.S. Oh, God. Look at Rona's over there sweeping, doing stuff the hard way. Looks good now. It's almost done. No, watch the dog. I know that's a little dog. My mom's dog's in heat, and we borrowed this dog here because he's got a little pecker on him. He's gonna come over here and get our. He likes mama though. He's trying to get the mama. Come on, come on, Drew. Drew. He wants to go to mama. What do you think? Drew, no. Come here, Drew. Come here. Stay there. Stay there. Let me get you. You want to go to mama, don't you? You want to get run over? Huh? You want to get run over? Yeah. Think you know her, huh? Say, I want to go with mama. I want to ride on the lawnmower. All right, we're going to get out of here. Mama still, I guess she's gonna cut the backyard too. She don't want to come in. Mama's not gonna come in. Oh well. What are you doing? We borrowed that weenie dog. He's gonna try to get my mom's dog pregnant. So he brought his, he's free of charge right now. He's not doing anything, but he's like, you guys ain't paying me. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I don't know where mama's at now. There she goes. Mama's still rolling. Yeah. There she goes. Uh-oh. Whoa! She don't have her rear backing camera on. She almost hit that. What do you want? Huh? Can't get mama to come in the house and eat. She's out here just cutting and cutting. Just cutting and cutting. You gotta come eat, mama. Don't forget to eat. Hurry up, let's eat. Can't get her to come in the house for nothing. For nothing.
Here, let me do it. I'll do it.
It didn't?
No.
Maybe it's
I'm
not wet.
Corey. It's just cold, not
Just
wet.
take one picture.
Okay.
3,
3,
2.
2, 1. Corey, you're in it.
Wow. It's alright. Mama can zap them out. Alright, let's go.
Do I look like I'm from Frozen?
You guys want steak or tacos?